Akiaria guku mucii munene wa Nairobi, Commissioner niaugite nimogerire namba ya maabitha borithi kuuma icigo itiganite guku bururi-ini niguo gutigirira ugitiri ni wagacirio na njira nene muthenya ucio.
Enough number of officers to ensure the security and safety, even in terms of the vehicles which will be parked in the neighborhood of the stadium. We are ready to provide the security required.
Ningi Koome niaugite ndamukirite notithio yothe kuma kuri ngwataniro ya NASA kana mundu ungi wothe igie gutabanio kwa igongona ringi muthenya ucio, akiuga igerio yothe tariu ni mugaru wa watho.
Any other meeting on Tuesday, we are not aware about that. We have not been notified. So whoever thinks he has intentions to do that, it does not involve police, he wants to break the law, why don't you tell that person that the law will deal with such a situation family?
Oho Koome nioritie atwarithia ngari gwithema gutumira barabara ya Thika Super Highway, Professor Wangari Maathai Road, undu umwe na barabara ya Mombasa Road, akiuga barabara ici nicio igatumirwo ni atongoria mabũrũri matiganite aria magekinya igongona-ini riu.
Our people need to bear with us. Those roads they will be blocked. We are not going to allow, at some instances, movement of traffic. But officers will be there to guide you.
Makiria moguo Koome nioririe Kenya gutia watho na guikarania na thayu niguo gutigirira urumwe wa bururi ni wagacira. Ngiripotera Kameme TV, ritwa rakwa ni Ngugi wa Gatua.